Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Mi 11 Ultra, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me looks to be right over here. As you can see, it's labeled under it. So once you find your toggle, if you're doing this for the first time, hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize it. Now the reason you want to do this is because you won't have any way of knowing what the password for it is, which is randomly generated, and this will allow you to actually figure it out and also change it. So let's stop right here, set up portable hotspot, and you can tap right on this. You can tap on the little eye right here to view the actual password, but as you can see, it's just, like I mentioned, randomly generated garbage. So I'm going to remove it and set my own. As you can see, once you remove it, it tells you that the password needs to have at least 8 characters in length. So I'm going to make exactly 8 characters in length, and then I'll be able to save it. Additionally, you can also skim through all these settings right here and customize them to your liking. As you can see, you have security, device identification, AP band, and the hide SSID. So once you went through all of those and customized them, click on the checkbox right here to save the settings, and all you need to do now is toggle it on either from here, this toggle portable hotspot, or by tagging it on from notifications right over here. So you can turn it on and off from here. Now I'm going to quickly check something. It actually looks like we can use both Wi-Fi and hotspot at the same time, so that's nice. Some of the devices do use Wi-Fi antennas for broadcasting the hotspot, which basically turns off your Wi-Fi. But in here you can use both, so that's nice. Anyway, that is how you would set up and use the hotspot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.